International vibes.
Yeah. Let me be, let me. When you move like that on me, let me be. Don't stop, don't talk, just feel, let me be. Let me be. Yeah. Right there, move. No stress, no rules. You're always talking, I'm cool. Low lights, one dream. Your body moving on beat, slow.
Say you feel it,
I feel it.
say you ready.
I'm ready.
Let me be,
Let me be, let me be.
let me be,
When you grind that slow on me,
let me be.
let me be, let me be. Tonight, we free, no sleep.
Now this does include small children, even the favourite one, and of course those mobile phones. Now folks, we've done this little guide for you, for those of you who do understand me. We do these live commentaries because our river changes every day. Now if we have made your trip on the river a little more enjoyable, if you like to show appreciation, we have a very old custom. As you leave our boat, I'll be standing there with a big black hat. And if you like to fill it up with coins and